Okay, it's going to be a short one. Being really, really hot. Feels like 104, 108 in the shop, so I can work a couple hours. But anyway, I did get a few things done. Last time we left off, I had a tire rub problem. I got that fixed. And the biggest thing was trying to wire in all the console switches for the headlights, the door locks, the wing flaps, the wing and the wing flaps themselves. So that was quite a challenge. So let me show you what I got done. I started working on a new console design, which it's just a work in progress right now, but I'll show you what I got. So hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, addressing the wheel rub problem. This is where the wheel was rubbing. I've redesigned this where I've created this brace here. Also added a temporary support here to hold everything in place while I'm cutting stuff up. So I'll put the new panel on the inside here, and then that should give me plenty of wheel room space. Okay, the patch is made. Just need to do seam sealer on the back side here, and then I should have plenty of wheel clearance. So tack that one up. Okay, got the seam sealer on, just painted it. So now my wheel rub problem hopefully will go away. Okay, things got a little complex. Here's my driver and passenger switches, but I've got to have power from both the switches and the door release. So this little light indicates my door latch, so that works there. And that works there, so both of those would release the door latch. Yeah, this is a lot of wires there, and I hope I remember how they all go. Okay, let me show you how we assemble a waterproof connector. Using this kit that has the various sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different connectors. And these are the pins, little waterproof things going into the wires, and then these are the connectors. Now I got it laid out here. I'm going to use, on this particular switch set, I have 8 connectors. So here's 2, and then I need to make these 6 connectors to this piece right here, and then this will get on the harness in the car with the other type of connectors. Now it has a special little crimper for these types of pins here. Now let me get one put together and I'll show you. As you can see, there are 2 different crimping points on the pin. The first one right there is for the wire, and then the back one here goes around here. So here's one assembled, and then these are special little crimping tools. I use number 3 for the first crimp, and then use number 1 out here for putting the little collar around the waterproof connector.
Okay, it's recording.
Now these pin connectors get inserted into here, and then back in the car I'll put the pins in the wires on the other side, and that'll make my connector. Finally got all the switches wired, different connectors. Now this one, which was basically for the doors, up and down for the windows and unlocked doors, had 13 wires in it. So I could use 2 6-pin connectors and 1 extra for the ground. Notice that I've used different connectors, so when I go to plug them into the harness, there's no confusion. So need to get some wire loom on it and then get it in the console. Okay, got the switches installed. All the plugins are connected now. Everything works so far, so good to go. Okay, console switches are working. First one is for the wing flaps. And second one is for the wing. And the third one will be for the trunk unlock. And this one is for the headlights, which they work. Then we have the door unlock. And these light up when you hit them. So, all functioning. Okay, working on the dash piece. The one that I had worked on before just wasn't going to work. So I'm making this out of 1/4-inch round bar, and then I'll cover it in fiberglass. This section right here, I'm going to make a separate opening so I'll be able to plug things in, because the way that it works, this one has to go on before the console goes on. So, still have a lot to work, but I'm making progress. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would, and be sure and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.